Hi, this is my video that I've started including in most of my advertisements, or whenever I'm just showing off a trailer or some specialized truck or what have you. Basically, I'm just wanting to tell folks, whenever you have the time and money, or you can send somebody to come look at something, it's always best to do just that. No matter what, pictures make things look better than they really are. But you know, and that being said, I don't mind if you have something that you want to have better pictures of or a different angle. Reach out to me and we'll get it sent to you. But it's always best to come look in person. We have a truck with a 2-line wet kit, so we can operate all the trailers from the Landalls, Trail Kings, LEDWELLs, and it's just a good practice. People do what you inspect, not what you expect. So we're in Houston, Texas. Basically, we have 2 convenient airports, and we'd be more than happy to pick you up and make it as easy on you as possible. You can certainly get in and out of Houston in a single day from most places. So give us a call if we can help. AA Diesel Truck and Equipment Inc. 713-675-5922. Thanks.